In this Blender tutorial I will show you how to create a cube with a round or oval hole through it. You can also use this principle for cutting holes in single planes as well. Other Blender tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well, instead of modifying this cube, what we're actually going to do is remove it. So just press X on your keyboard and then left click delete. Now press 7 on your numbers pad followed by 5 on your numbers pad, and then hold down shift followed by A, and next to mesh left click on plane. Roll your middle mouse to zoom in, and then press tab on your keyboard to go into edit mode. Place your pointer away from this plane and then hit I on your keyboard and move your mouse towards the plane. It doesn't matter at this time how small you insert this, so I'm going to just insert this plane in about, I don't know, 50%. Okay, now with this inset still selected, press X on your keyboard and left click faces to delete the face. That gives you a square hole. I've got a video on this already creating a square hole, but anyway, we want to make this round. So you've got a few options to select these. What you're going to want to do is select these 4 corners. So, and the easiest way is actually just press C on your keyboard. This will flicker a bit because I've got the key stroke thing working in here, but you should be able to make it small enough to select all of these. And then once you've done that by left clicking on it, then right click. You can also hold down Control and select each one of these corners. So in fact, let's do that just so that you can see the other way to do it. So I'm going to just press A to deselect this, and I'm going to hold down Shift, and then right mouse each corner. Okay, yeah, with this keycast thing working, my circle select doesn't work very well. Okay, now with these 4 corners selected, look for the button to the left hand side that says subdivide, and then left click on it 4 or 5 times. Let's go 5 times. Okay, look for the button to the bottom left of the screen that says mesh, and left click on it. Then look for the word transform, and then look for the words to sphere. Now you can try the shortcut Shift Alt S. It doesn't work for me. It just closes this program down. So I'm going to left click on to sphere and move my mouse, and then left click to accept. Now you can change the size of your hole by pressing S, and then move your mouse. You can press G and grab this and move it around, or you can use the green arrow, Control Z to go back, red arrow, Control Z to go back, or you can also make an oval. So if I press S Y, I can make an oval in this direction, or S X, I can make an oval in this direction. Most of the keys I'm using should appear down here if you haven't already noticed. Okay, so alright, I'm going to just go S, Y and drag this up like that. Now you can, within reason, also rotate this. If you press R, move your mouse. What you don't want to do is go completely around like that, but you can, as long as though the lines aren't crossing over any of the vertices, you can get away with it. I'm not going to bother, I'm just going to do this. Okay, now if you press 1 on your numbers pad and then press A to deselect everything, then A again to reselect everything, roll your middle mouse so that you can see the bigger squares. You don't want to be seeing these small ones, you need to be able to see the bigger ones. And now all we need to do, place your pointer over the blue Z arrow and then press E and then type 2, then right click, sorry I should have left click, sorry, E 2 left click. Now you'll have a hole through a cube, and that basically is all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Cheers.